Hey everyone, it's Gretchen here. So happy Friday night in my jammies. Hanging out in the craft room. Wanted to show you my new Hobby Lobby cabinet I got. I've seen these in other videos, but I'm excited to have one as well. So I put it right in front of my desk area. Back there is my Calyx unit. So that's where it's at. I'll show you what's inside. I'm still working on it. But first, I want to do my money challenge. We're on week number 12. And $7. So week 12, $7. Put that away towards the challenge. So it's still a work in progress. It comes with all these really neat drawers. And so far, nothing in that one. Nothing in that one. Over here. I have some file folders. Let me see if it'd be easier to pick you up. So I think when I take these out, if I want something, and I'm gonna have to either have two hands or put it up here. So all these file folders I have from 7 Gypsies, I tried to gather them up and stick them in here. I have a variety. I think I still have a couple more, and then I think I'm going to stick other packs of ephemera in here. I have some small, and I did put these scraps. They came in a scrap pack, so I put them in here as well. There's some canvas down in there. Not canvas, but heavy material. So that's in that drawer. Oops. There, I just lost my stuff. I'll show you down here at the bottom. So I've been gathering up my pre-packaged ephemera packs and putting them in there. This is a Halloween one that Michael's had a couple years ago. Most of my packs come from Tuesday morning. A couple from Michael's, a couple from AC Moore, but I still have to dig them all out. So that's in the bottom drawer. This drawer down here I did label, has my business cards for my Etsy shop. Nothing in there yet. This bottom one, I did put some of my Tim Holtz in here. Some of those. Some of the bottle caps. So that's in the bottom. Aw, puppy love. Tinks tries to get her lovin'. So I say nothing in that drawer. And then up in this one, I have some bags. So AMS scrap, Amelia sent me some, and I just had to go find some, and I did. Up here, some Project Life cards. I think I'm gonna leave this here for now, but I might change things around, so. And then this drawer, which has to have two hands to handle it, and set it on something secure. So I probably have this past max weight limit. But I did dig through all my 6x6s and got them all in one spot. Yes, Mark's over here looking at me like...
My back hurts.
I started to tag them on the season, and I gave that idea up. I actually started to write, and I said, oh, so I just started putting tags on them and quickly abandoned that idea. So I just have a variety. This is Stampin' Up. A variety of 6x6s. I tried to group them by holiday. Some general, and then we get into like the winter, and then we get into Christmas. Then I think it goes to Halloween and fall. Now, can I use this much paper in a lifetime? I'm going to try. I'm going to try. Different ones from AC Moore. And then some more general. And then over here, I think this is like whatever. I ran out of room and I started putting it in the side. And then over here is general. I want to be able to have enough room to flip my fingers through it so I could see what I had. That's one of those from Michael's. That was a gift from my friend B. And then we get into Authentique. I had to make a special area for that. So some Easter, older Easter, baby girl, just a different variety. Some Halloween. So just different collections. So that is housing my 6x6.
Recycled. Yeah.
And I think that's all the drawers. Over here, I have some of my coffee dyed papers, and I was tracing paper. I'm not sure. I think I might try to iron that and see how it comes out. It's very stiff and thick. I have stuff that I want to tea dye. Actually, these are tea dyed. I say coffee dyed. They're tea dyed, and this one's these are water bathed. And I have some stuff back here. So that is my new cabinet from Hobby Lobby, and what I've got in it so far. Still need to change some things around. My gosh, let me finish this video up. I'll be editing forever.
Hernia.
He's doing crossword puzzles, and he keeps coming across words that relate to what's going on in current events, like Gretchen getting hernia. And hope you have a nice weekend. I had lost my train of thought.
I'm sorry.
All right, thanks for joining me. Take care. Bye.